Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find the time of day report in your Google Ads campaign? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to see the time of day report for your Google Ads campaign anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing Google Ads, you know it's important to view all of the data because sometimes you can get cheaper clicks at certain times of the day, or sometimes your ads perform better at certain times of the day. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there. But I've already logged into my Google Ads account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to see the time of day report for one of your campaigns, here on the left side, you're going to click on campaigns. Once you do that, you want to click on this line, Insights Alerts. Once you do that, you want to click on this line, When and Where Ads Showed. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show all the devices for all of your campaigns. So the first thing you want to do is click up here in this box and then choose the campaign that you want to see the time of day report for. Okay, so once you've done that, it's going to show data only for this one campaign. And if you look up here to the top, you're going to see these four options. You want to click on When Ads. Okay, next what you want to do is down here at the bottom, you want to go ahead and open this up because as you can see, it's only showing 10 rows of data. So usually I'll just go ahead and click on 500. Okay, now it opens up all that data. And the last thing you want to do is up here on the top, go ahead and choose the time frame. So if you want to see the time of day report for the past 30 days, you can change that here, or you can change it to the entire life of the campaign. That's up to you. And now we can see the data organized by the schedule. So this is organized by clicks. So it looks like on Mondays between 11 and 12, this campaign got the most clicks. And if we scroll all the way to the bottom, it looks like Saturdays between 9 and 10 p.m. at night got the fewest amount of clicks. So let's scroll back up. And the second most popular time, it looks like, was from Thursday 10 to 11. We can also analyze the cost per click. So if we click up here, CPC, the highest cost per click looks like was on Saturdays between 8 and 9. And if we change that, it looks like the cheapest cost per click was on Saturdays between 3 and 4 p.m. So I guess if there's enough traffic going on between this particular time for whatever it is that you're selling, then maybe you can go ahead and optimize for this particular schedule right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking for the time of day report for one of your Google Ads campaigns, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.